Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to download PUBG after ban, right, on your iPhone. So let's get started. You have to follow these instructions to continue further. So first let's go to the App Store and let's see whether what's the status of PUBG in the App Store, right? And if you search for PUBG here, as you can see that it is not available, right? So as you can see that the PUBG is not available. So I'm going to show you the steps which you have to follow, right? So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to go to the App Store. Then you have to tap at the top right? Then you have to go for this one. You have to click over here, right? From here, after completely loading the page, you have to continue further. You have to click on country or region option. You have to select this, right? Now once after selecting this, you have to go for change country or region. You have to click this once again. Then you have to select the respective country in which you wanted to change, right? I wanted to change United States, so I'm going for United States. I have scrolled down myself and I have to change to United States, right? Then you have to go for agree over here. You have to tap this, and also you have to tap here once again for the agree, right? Once you're done with that, you have to tap it on the agree. Then once you're done with that, you have to make this none, right? Then you have to give the respective details, right? So I'm going to give here street which I wanted to make of the United States is New York. So I'm going to give this. Then this one is optional which I don't require. Then city also I'm going to type New York, right? I'm going to type New York. Now here I have to select the state. So from here I have to select the respective state, right? So mine is New York, right? I have to select the respective state. So it is done. Now I have to go for the zip. So if you don't know the zip, you can search in Google. So I have searched it already, or you can copy the same. That is 1001. This is the zip for which one? The New York, right? So now you have to enter the respective mobile number, right? You can get it from Google. Once you are getting it from the Google, you have to type this. That is 646. Then you have to type for 980. Then 3617. Right? You have to type this. And now you have to go for next, right? You have to go for next, right? So once you're done with that, it is successfully done. Now you have to go for done here at the top, right? So it is successfully converted, and now you have to search for here on the PUBG once again, right? Now go for PUBG, right? So now as you can see that the PUBG is available, right? Now let us download the PUBG. So guys, that's all about when it comes to how to download PUBG on your iPhone after ban, right? So as you can see that I have successfully downloading from in front of me. So that's all about it. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. If you find this video helpful, do subscribe our channel and share among your friendship circle. This is Shahin signing off from Guitar Tips. See you soon. Peace out. Keep practice social distance. See you soon in the next video.